In this video, we will see how Webhavi can be used to scrape data from Google Play Store. So I have loaded up Google Play and let me search for an app. And now I have loaded the app page in Google Play Store, and let's see how we can scrape the reviews of this app. So if you scroll down, you can see that there are the reviews displayed, but to see all the reviews you need to click this link. So we will start the configuration here by clicking the start button, and then you can just click and select the data which you need. But first we will disable patterns and click on the see all reviews and use the click option to open the reviews pop-up. Now more reviews are loaded as you scroll down, so you straight away enable the scroll to load next page option, enable patterns back, and now we can start selecting data. We'll start with the name of the person who wrote the review. You can get the date, the review text, and we will also get the star rating. Now click on the rating star, go to capture HTML, and then apply capture more content till you see the rating information in the HTML. Now to select this rating information, we need to use regular expressions. So click on the apply RegEx thing, and you can select any of the first few and just change the first href to aria-label, which is the tag of this specific text. And if I want to remove the rated text, I can add rated here. You can find this regular expression in the video description anyway, and apply. So this would be the rating. If you want just the star value, we can do that as well. So we'll apply aria-label equals rated, and we need the star value stars. I hope this works. Apply. Oh no, I have to remove this. Apply. Yeah, rating. Oh no, stars. See, we got all the stars, just the rating. And now we can stop the configuration and start mining data. Let's mine 4 pages. You have to specify the number of pages to mine and click on start. Now Webhavi will load the page. It will click on the see all reviews to open the pop-up. It will then scroll 4 pages down. It will take time because it will pause a few seconds after scrolling so that the listings get enough time to load. And once it's loaded all the pages, see, it's loading page 2 of 4. Let's wait for all the pages to load it. You can actually speed up this process in the settings. And once all pages are loaded, you will be able to see the data like this. And once mining is finished, you can click on the export button to export this data as a file. Various file formats are supported, or to a database. So I hope you find this video useful. In case you have any questions, please contact us at support@webhavi.com or in the comments below. Thank you.